Hey y'all, Clay here, welcome back to the channel. So, I really didn't plan on vlogging today, but I just saw a notification on my phone that we are under tornado watch. I'm gonna go outside real quick and show you guys what it looks like. I don't have my shoes on, so I can't go really far. But as you can see, it's pretty cloudy today and pretty humid. I got another notification. So we'll see. Tornado watch for High Point. So we got two. We got one in Greensboro too, both until 10 p.m. So anyway, it's Friday. I actually slept till 9 o'clock and didn't get out of the bed till like 9:40ish because I was so tired, like I had a busy week at work, so I went to bed early last night. And I just got done uploading. Been working on vlogs. Right now I'm uploading another one, and I guess while I'm on here, guys, I was gonna do a small video, but I guess I'll tell you guys on here that starting the next time I do a work vlog, I will only be doing one instead of two, and the reason for that is I want to start doing many other vlogs now that I've learned how to stream and do reaction videos and whatnot. And obviously, in order to do that, I sometimes have to make a few changes, and that's one of the changes I've had to make, which is only doing one work vlog instead of two, you know? So, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower in case the storm does come, because it does look like one could possibly hit, and I'll see you on the next clip. If you're new here, my name is Clay, and I have high functioning autism. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you. Oh, I almost did natural there. Well, you know what I mean. So as you can see, I just got out of the shower. Figured I'd be lazy today and just dry my hair with a towel instead of using the hair dryer on it. And I'll go ahead and show you guys. It just started to get cloudy, and so I have a feeling either a tornado or severe thunderstorm warning is going to be issued. There's the before picture, or sort of. I'm gonna take a few pictures for the thumbnail real quick, and then I'll show you guys some more. Alright, here's another view of the thunderstorm. I'll bet y'all this is actually gonna touch down, and it looks like it could get pretty nasty. So hopefully this will be the actual first ever storm vlog with this camera. You can see it's getting pretty windy. That's normally one sign that a storm's gonna hit. I'm a little worried about a package I'm about to receive of cigars, because hopefully they'll put it in the mailbox. Show you guys my dad's rose bushes. These actually are still alive, thankfully. I actually thought these rose bushes were dead, because these have been around since as long as I can remember, but nope, they're still alive. One thing I have been struggling with is weed eating. I just haven't been able to weed whack because I come home from work, I'm really tired, and then I have this. I also need to do my laundry. But yeah, as you can see here, sun's starting to show up a bit. It's better, but in fact, let me look at my phone. Let's see. Tornado watch, heavy rain and thunderstorm starting in 6 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into back in my house, and then I'm also gonna pull up the app that I downloaded on my TV. Check out Cedric real quick. Hey buddy, how you doing? Still got plenty of water left. So, I'm gonna go ahead and head on back inside. I am also worried about my roommate's dog Finn because if there's a tornado warning, then I'll go down to my grandparents' house, but I won't be able to. The only issue with that is I won't be able to take Finn just because I don't know what his leash and collar are, and obviously he listens to me pretty good, but he still might jump around. And there's my grandparents' dog who is kind of shy. He might try to bother her. But yeah. Alright y'all, so this is what the weather looks like so far on the app here. This app is called see better. This app is called the Weather Network. It's a free app on Amazon if you would like to download it if you have a Fire Stick. I just uploaded the vlog about me getting my brother a smoke detector. I don't know if you guys saw that one, but it's below this one, so if you guys want to click on it, you can. I don't know if you guys saw, but the Matt Riddle shirt, as you can saw, part of it was blurted out. The reason for it being blurted out was because it showed some profanity, and I do try my hardest not to show any profanity on my YouTube channel since I know a lot of kids watch it. So with that, that's why on my reaction video I said that that video may contain some content that isn't suitable for kids or audience or some audiences, you know. Anyway, I'm gonna see what this storm does now. Supposed to see when the storm's supposed to start. I can see on here. In 2 minutes. Here you can see red and yellow and green means rain, and it's gonna get pretty nasty. I don't know how long the storm is gonna last, but I will say that most likely I'm probably not going to be going to CR tonight, which kind of stings because had I known I would have gone with my roommate to help him with something, but then again with this tornado watch it probably wouldn't have been the best idea anyway. So let's see what's going on. So the tornado watch has been moved down to a severe thunderstorm warning, so I'm going to go ahead and go outside real quick. Sorry y'all, I just was running around the house because I fell asleep. So it's 3:18 and I'm gonna go outside and see what it's like for you guys. And in case you're not familiar with North Carolina weather, pretty much anytime the tornado watch is issued, it ends up being a severe thunderstorm. We've had a time or two, like the last vlog, when there ends up being a tornado warning, but so I can't go. See, it's already raining. There's some thunder. I'm gonna go over here and see what the weather app says. Okay. So it's pretty much the same as it was last clip. Alexa, what's the notification? Oh, sorry there. Alright y'all, so just talking thunder a bit. I'll open the sorry, I'm trying to open the lens for you guys. There we go. Or is that just a plane? Well, I was gonna let y'all listen to it, but it sounds like just a plane. Just a plane, you guys. I'm sorry. At least this is a bit better than the last time this happened. Text my mom and see how nasty it is at her place. Text mom.
What do you want to say?
How is it at your place? It got moved down to a severe thunderstorm.
Okay, it's sent.
Okay, I just saw some lightning. It's about to get real nasty. Hopefully you guys can hear that. I'm gonna open this window. Actually, I'm gonna close this window now, so that way the rain doesn't get in. As you can sort of see, it's starting to rain pretty hard. So I'm gonna, let's see, where can I put it? You guys be able to see if I put it. I'm gonna stop recording for a minute because I need to go use the bathroom, and then once it starts to get more nasty, I'll start recording again. It's starting to rain here and thunder. Go back over here now and see what the weather app says. Ooh. Yeah, a bit better now. Let's see that off. See how nasty it's getting. See when it said the issue would be over. I mean, warning. Warning. It's 4 p.m. Watch. There'll still be a watch until 10, but ooh, I just saw some lightning. Back up a bit. Do not want to get struck by lightning. Oh crap, it says it's here. Shoot. It's in the mailbox though, so hopefully. Let's see some invitation. I do hope that they don't cancel a church because of this. Don't see any hail though. This actually just reminds me, I remember looking on Google Photos, looking at pictures just for fun, and I saw a small weather video that I did, I think it was a couple weeks ago, that I forgot about. So I'll try to upload that too, possibly tonight, depending on what time I get back home. So I just airdropped these videos to the iPad. These are supposed to be videos. It says they're sent. You can see it's getting kind of dark from the storm. So far it's nothing real windy. I don't think it's really gonna do anything, but at least it's kind of rain. Ooh, it's getting kind of rainy though. Okay, now it's raining pretty hard. I can hear it. Just when I walk away, it starts to get pretty nasty. Ooh. Did I just see hail? See a bit of wind right up there. Oh, started the lightning. I don't know if y'all can see real good because the woo. Now it's getting real windy. I'm gonna put my camera down right here, you guys. just so y'all can see a bit what the storm is like. Oh crap, y'all can't really. Shoot, let's see. Could you if I put it here? There we go. Put it on the washer here a bit so y'all can see a bit of what the storm is like. I gotta get some stuff off my iPad. It's getting pretty windy. So we might be getting some hail after all. Oop, saw some more lightning. See, it's flooding a bit over here. Ooh, we got some wind gusts. Oh. Good thing that rain's hail. Ooh, now it's really starting. You can see the rain from the... See how hard the wind's blowing from the flood. Rain's beating against the door. Y'all look at this. That hit. This rain sounds a lot like hail. I can barely see now. Here we go, this is crazy. A bit because I saw lightning. It's starting to calm down a bit now. Oh, getting more nasty. Go look over here, turn around back at where go back on the TV and look at the weather app. Let's see what the weather app says. It's getting pretty nasty. Yeah, you can hear what it sounds like. Driveway is now officially flooded. Oh, come on, don't tell me it's hitting some more. Oh, come on. I just upped it till 4:45, which stinks because I need to get a package in my mailbox. It's gotten floods gotten pretty bad. Anyway, I'm gonna quit recording a bit so I can work on this vlog. Yep. Alright, so you can hear the storm's pretty much calmed down. I'm gonna go ahead and run and get my package while I can. Maybe have a quick stogie, but as you guys can see, it's pretty much, storm's pretty much over. I couldn't record the last little bit because I was working on another storm vlog that I said that was forgotten, so. See, it's getting pretty windy. I'm gonna run down and get my package real fast. So yeah.